The boundless universe, genuinely an incredible idea. Whether or not the universe is boundless or not has intrigued logicians, researchers, and visionaries the same for quite a long time. Thus, we should set out on an engaging excursion through the universe and investigate the conceivable outcomes. Picture this: you're remaining on an infinite exciting ride, prepared to disentangle the secrets of the universe. As you zoom through the immense region of room, you could contemplate whether the universe loosens up always, similar to an interminable throughway with no exit ramps. Indeed, in all actuality, we're not completely certain. As we continued looking for information, researchers have tirelessly tried to gauge and grasp the size and state of the universe. They've utilized strong telescopes, numerical models, and psyche-twisting hypotheses to test its profundities. In any case, in spite of their endeavors, the universe has demonstrated to be a remarkable riddle. One chance is that the universe is to be sure limitless. Envision a ceaseless infinite embroidery, where worlds upon universes loosen up unendingly. In this endless universe, you could travel perpetually and never arrive at an edge or a limit. It resembles a never-ending enormous experience, with boundless stars to want for and limitless miracles to investigate. Nonetheless, there's another charming chance. The universe may be limited, however unbounded, similar to a grandiose inflatable that extends and bends back upon itself. Consider it taking an excursion across the outer layer of a circle. Regardless of how far you travel, you'll wind up back where you began. In this situation, the universe has no edges, yet it's held inside a limited space. It resembles a vast riddle, where the limits are concealed in the folds of room-time. Obviously, these are simply interesting hypotheses in light of our ongoing comprehension. The real essence of the universe stays a continuous mission for information and disclosure. Researchers keep on pushing the limits of our comprehension, looking for replies to disentangle the secrets that lie past. In this way, my inquisitive companion, regardless of whether the universe is really limitless, one thing is sure: the universe is a sensational, steadily growing jungle gym of miracle. So let your creative mind take off among the stars, and embrace the endless potential outcomes that exist in the fabulous embroidery of the universe. The puzzler of the universe's immensity. Plan to dig into the awesome inquiry of its vastness in an engaging style. Picture this: you're perched on a comfortable love seat, wearing your best vast-themed nightgown, and tasting some tea fermented from the stardust of far-off cosmic systems. We're going to leave on an excursion to investigate the immense region of the universe. Presently, with regards to the universe's vastness, we wind up in an enormous problem. Researchers have contemplated this inquiry for a very long time, and the response stays slippery. We'll take an excursion through two engaging situations: the universe is limited, and the universe is boundless. In the limited universe situation, envision the universe as an enormous, mind-bowing event congregation with a genuine limit. Consider it an enormous Ferris wheel that pinnacles over the vast scene. You can ride the Ferris wheel, investigating each gleaming star and twirling system, realizing that there is a finish to the grandiose amusement park. It resembles an exhilarating, exciting ride that at last grinds to a halt, leaving you with recollections of an unprecedented experience. Presently, we should bounce over to the limitless universe situation. Picture the universe as an everlasting, ceaseless party that loosens up perpetually every which way. It resembles a heavenly discotheque where the dance floor continues to extend, and the partygoers won't ever tire. Each step you take, each move you make, the universe keeps endlessly going, similar to an everlasting playlist that never arrives at the last tune. However, hang on close. At the point when you think you've embraced the idea of an endless universe, another contort is standing by. A few speculations recommend the chance of a multiverse, an immense assortment of equal universes existing together close by our own. It's like coincidentally finding a cosmic disguise ball where each participant wears an interesting grandiose cover. The party goes on forever on the grounds that there are endless gatherings happening all the while in various aspects. In this way, my grandiose confidant, the topic of the universe's limitlessness stays an engaging conundrum. Whether it's a limited fair, an endless disco, or a multiversal party, one thing is sure, the universe will keep on enthralling our minds and fuel our voracious interest. As we consider the tremendousness of the universe, how about we recall that the genuine magnificence lies in the response as well as in the excursion of investigation itself. In this way, continue looking at the stars, longing for far-off systems, and embracing the astronomical secrets that unfurl before us. Furthermore, who knows, perhaps one day we'll find a definitive solution to regardless of whether the universe is really endless. Up to that point, how about we partake in the astronomical ride? Okay, the excellent inquiry of the universe's vastness. Set yourself up for a psyche-bowing excursion into the inestimable profundities as we consider the endlessness of presence. The idea of the universe's endlessness has puzzled mankind for quite a long time. In this way, we should leave on a psychological odyssey and investigate the potential outcomes. One speculation recommends that the universe is for sure limitless, extending perpetually every which way. Envision yourself remaining on an enormous surfboard, riding an everlasting flood of cosmic systems and stars, while focusing on no limits. In this situation, the universe's territory knows no restrictions, and its boundlessness turns into a jungle gym for our creative mind to roam free. Be that as it may, clutch your spacesuit, for we should likewise think about an elective viewpoint. A few cosmological speculations suggest that the universe isn't limitless yet rather limited, yet unbounded. Envision it as a titanic inflatable, growing and swelling, yet inadequate with regards to any characterized edges. Like an enormous hamster running on its ceaseless wheel, the universe bends back on itself, making an entrancing circle of presence. In any case, we should not stop there. There's another hypothesis that contends the universe may be limited and limited. Imagine yourself remaining in an enormous terrarium, noticing the universe as though it were encased inside a heavenly container. Past those astronomical walls, there may be something else or perhaps nothingness itself, a pit that opposes our ongoing comprehension. Presently, here comes the genuine kicker, we're not exactly certain which speculation is right. Investigating the immeasurability of the universe is a continuous mission for information, with cosmologists and researchers looking through telescopes, crunching information, and hypothesizing to open the insider facts of presence. To sum up, whether the universe is limitless, unbounded, or limited stays an interesting inestimable secret. An inquiry mixes our creative mind, energizes our interest, and advises us that there's still a lot to find out about the confounding territory that encompasses us. Thus, my kindred astronomical voyager, let your brain meander, embrace the excellence of the obscure, and relish in the miracle of the universe's boundless conceivable outcomes.